Hey, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy show. So I want to talk to you today about annuity income riders. So annuity income riders are for income, and therefore the maximum amount of income. And of course, annuity companies will charge you for them. So the question, I guess, remains, are they worth it? Okay, is it worth it to pay the fee? It's typically these fees are 1% or a little bit higher for these income riders. Well, you be the judge. I'm going to share my screen. And I'm going to show you exactly what an income rider does. And all it is just it's an addition to the policy. You have an annuity policy. If it's an index annuity, then it's earning whatever the index earns, and it's protecting you against market loss, which is great. But most people get these index annuities because they want guaranteed income down the road, either immediately or down the road. So I'm going to share my screen, and we'll look at the top income rider annuities. So right now, I just put age 65 years old, put $500,000 just for this illustration. And then if we're looking at deferring the income for 0 years, meaning I'm going to take income next month, then this is showing me the highest payouts. And so you can see the highest payouts right now are in the $37,000 a year range, which is good. That's if I start taking it next month. So literally I could put this in and I'll start taking income next month, and I'll roughly $3,000 a month, right? $3,100 a month for the rest of my life, guaranteed. Okay. But if I decide to wait just even 1 year, okay, so remember, we're around $3,100, maybe $3,200 or $3,163 if we were looking at the B++. But even just 1 year, that raises it a few $100. Now we're at $3,377 or $3,453 for the top ones. That's not bad. So now let's look at these, and I'm going to change this right back to annual. And you'll notice if I wait 1 year with a $500,000, I'm going to get $40,000 a year the rest of my life guaranteed. So if I take it out for 30 years, I'm going to take out a lot. I'm going to take out like $1.2 million. Okay. So, but I'm also paying fees. So let's look at that. So let's say I'm taking out $1.2 million in income. Okay. And we'll just look at F&G just to get an idea of the fees. This one's charging like 1.2%. Okay. So I'm going to look at this real quick, because it's important. If you're going to pay a fee, you need to know what you're getting for it. And is it worth it, right? Is it worth it to pay the fee? So let's look at this. We've got the income, $40,000 a year. It looks like the account value, though, will eventually run out by the time you're 81. The money doesn't, though. The money just keeps on going, keeps on coming. The income keeps coming. You can see by the time you're 94, you've been paid out almost $1.2 million. You live 10 more years, you're going to get another $400,000 in income. That's the beautiful thing about these guarantees. But let's look at the fees. So if I look at the fees over here, you'll notice on the right side, you'll see the rider fees. Those fees can be significant. That's like $6,000 a year, $6,200 a year, right? So if I do that, I'm doing those fees, until I'm 81. I'm roughly taking out what? For 16 years, I'm taking out 16 times 6,200. My fees are $99,000. I'm paying $100,000 in fees. Is that worth it? Well, let's see. I'm going to go back to the other screen, and I'm going to take away the fee. Okay. Let's say we don't want any fees. 0 fees whatsoever. Now, the maximum income is $29,916. So that's $30,000 a year. $30,000 a year over the same period is $900,000. $900,000 of guaranteed income. I didn't pay any fees, right? But my income is $300,000 less. Now you tell me, would you pay $100,000 for $300,000 to be handed over to you? I would. So that's the power of the income rider fee. It really just depends if you think it's worth it. If you're looking for the highest ROI possible for your income and you want that income for life, paying the income rider fee is absolutely worth it. All right. So if you want to go over that, if you have questions, you want to go over maybe your income needs, your retirement needs, please give me a call, or please book a call. You'll see a link below this video. And get on my calendar and we'll chat. If you're looking to buy an annuity and you want some growth, you want some market protection, you want some income, then you're in the right spot, because I like to show you everything. And I won't hold anything back because I think you as a consumer need to be able to have access to the highest income possible because this is your hard-earned money we're talking about. So anyways, thanks for watching. Look forward to chatting with you, and we'll see you in the next video.